You're ready to go?
Yeah.
Tonight, Lori's going to prepare Negimaki?
Nagemaki.
Nagemaki. Okay.
Okay.
Why don't you
And
give us
that's
a rundown?
beef rolled in scallions. Okay. So we've already got our Ooni Grizzler plate pretty hot. We've had it warmed up. So now we're going to place our nagemaki on the grizzler. Got different sizes. And I'm just going to leave it on the plate till they release. I need a little extra oil. We had it in the grizzler plate in the oven for what, 5 minutes or so?
6 minutes. Oven was on high for about 10 minutes before we put the grizzler in. And be sure and check us out on Facebook, 12th Avenue Cuisine. We have a site up now. You'll get a look at other recipes, behind the scenes, an opportunity for you to post some of your stuff. Some of the creations that you're doing. So be sure and check us out on there.
Well, this one's starting to
go ahead.
Unroll.
Yeah. We did do a test run of this the other night. And it was delicious.
Okay.
But you do want to be careful if you get your grizzler too hot and you put the oil on, it will ignite.
We're going to baste it with some teriyaki sauce. And also I put it on the green onions.
Boy, that smells great. Are we going in?
Yeah. There's quite a bit of sugar in the teriyaki sauce, so you don't want to...
Ooh, we might want to go below the low.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to go down below the Ooni low.
So I used flanked steak in this recipe, and flank is really pretty good tasting, whether it's served rare, even well done, it's pretty tender.
And you pounded it out between two pieces of plastic wrap, right?
Right, and
to thin it out a little bit.
Okay, let's take it out and... So what I try and do is glaze it about 3 times, and I turn it. You might want to move these along on the plate, because one side might be warmer than the other. Whoop.
And for those of you with Ooni Kota 16, you know the L burner design means your rear left corner is your hottest.
Well, I might not have secured these as well as I could have. Okay. You want to roll them not super tight, but pretty well, and then you want to secure the ends so they don't unroll, which is what's happening.
And what's something you might want to pair this with?
Oh, I like it with cucumber salad, sunomono, or maybe some other fresh greens, a nice green salad. Of course, we'd always have it with some rice on the side.
Yeah, I'll always remember that one Thanksgiving.
Uh-huh.
And your brother goes, "What? No rice?"
Yeah.
We forgot.
Well, I thought we were having so many starches we didn't need rice,
Yep.
but in our family we serve everything with rice, pretty much.
You
We
wanna
had
take
rice
another
almost
look?
every day. Yeah. Let's take a look. Maybe we want to turn it up a little
Turn it up.
so we can get a nice glaze
Got
on
it. To high or to the low?
high.
Okay.
Because it's
Great.
almost ready. It just needs to get a little bit of a glaze. Okay.
And if you were to give this recipe a rating as far as easy to hard, where would you put it?
I think medium. It does take a little bit of effort to pound out your steak, but if you go to the Japanese or Asian market, they usually have beef that's already thinly sliced that they use for shabu shabu, which is a Japanese hot pot, or maybe they use it for Korean beef, that bulgogi, and it's already sliced thinly already, and that's a lot easier to work with. But I really like the flavor of flank, so that's what that's what I had available, so that's what I used.
And we'll put the recipe for your sauce in the description below, right?
Right. Okay, I think we should be.
You think that's it?
Yeah.
Should I turn the oven off?
Yeah, I'm gonna put
Okay.
a little bit more glaze on. I'm gonna put it from a clean that I didn't have any. Okay.
All right, and so what I'll do is I'm going to move this to the side. If you
Okay.
move the standoff to underneath the oven there, and then when you put the cutting board up, and then if you want to take, maybe just take one off.
Okay. What's
Okay,
Oh, this one's a little bitter.
okay. And then I'll just put these underneath here for the moment.
Okay. So you want to take out your toothpick. Oh. And you kind of cut them like you do sushi, so. And you can see that they're have the little green onion in the middle. Oh, this one's a little coming
You said
undone.
falling over, that'll be fine.
But maybe I'll put them the other way. Oh,
And then I'll take that knife and cutting board away.
mm-hmm.
And if you want to put them down there.
Oops.
All right, this is the best part. It's the
tasting.
taste. All right, you go first.
Okay. I'll take the one that fell over.
Okay.
Pretty hot. Be careful.
Okay. Mmm.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, so
So this is a really nice appetizer, but it could also be an entree. Whoop. I finally got him to stand up.
All right. So just one more time. What's the name? Negimaki.
My mind went blank. Negimaki.
And this was one of your favorites as a child, right?
Well, every time we went to a restaurant, we would order it. I just loved it.
Okay, well here.
Well, kampai.
Kampai.
See you again next time.
Next time. All right. Very good. These are great. So easy to make, huh? Mm-hmm.